So, what do all these animals have in common? Well, they're all endangered species. This infographic shows the frequency of endangered species throughout the world, and as you can see, countries such as the United States, Mexico, and Australia all have a high frequency of endangered species. So, how can we help save these species, and why is it important that we do so? Well, I want to increase awareness for endangered species, and I think the best way to do this is to help target children. I think that children who learn about endangered species now will in the future really work to try to protect and save them. And what's the best way to do this? I think that an educational game can really accomplish this goal. I want to create a trading game that involves each card having information about endangered species, what has caused them to be endangered, and what you can do to save them. The game will involve gems as currency, and the more, basically, it'll be a knowledge-based game, and the more kids can actually properly identify what is causing a species to be endangered, the more gems they'll have. And the idea is to really increase the knowledge about endangered species, the different causes, including deforestation, global warming, etc. So, why is it important to save endangered species? I think it's important because endangered species are a part of this ecosystem, of our ecosystem, and the well-being of endangered species is also important to the well-being of humans. The overall life cycle of Earth, and also by saving endangered species, we're also preventing some of the catastrophic overall bad human consequences of bad human behavior, such as global warming. We'll be stopping global warming, we'll be stopping deforestation, we'll be stopping a lot of bad behaviors that are harming our environment in general. So let's work to protect endangered species.